How to use WhatNot credit. So in order to use WhatNot credit, you will have to first of all launch WhatNot and browse the live shows and the marketplace listings. Then simply select the item that you want to buy. The credits will be used on the eligible purchases within the platform. So when you are on the platform, you just have to simply place a bid or tap on the option of the buy button. Then once you win or once your order is confirmed, you will be taken on the checkout screen, and this is where all of your credits are going to be applied. On the checkout page, your available WhatNot credit will show as a payment option. It's usually applied automatically in order to reduce your total. So if not, you can tap on the option of credit in order to enable it. Now, if your credits don't cover the full amount, you will need to pay the remaining balance using some of the other payment methods. Credits are going to applied first and then your card is going to charged for the rest. After purchase, you can open your order details in order to confirm how much credit was used, and this is going to help you track your remaining balance. So you can just simply follow these steps and you are going to use the WhatNot credit without any confusion. Thank you.